That's good stuff right there. Little Java Vanilla Porter. So, hey, how you doing? It's Keith Morris again, voiceover artist. Welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you to everybody who bumped up the likes and the subscribes last week. Just almost made that 20 goal that I put out there, but it's okay. I understand. People are still trying to figure it out because I got people asking me, what is voiceover exactly? What is it that you're trying to do here? Specifically, it came from a friend of my wife. She was off visiting with her over the past weekend and seemed a little bit confused. So I thought I would try to kind of clarify exactly what voiceover is. And it's hard. It's hard to define exactly what is voiceover because there's a lot of aspects to this type of industry. I think a lot of people my age, probably without even realizing it, were introduced to voiceover in Saturday morning cartoons. Obviously, somebody was putting a voice to Bugs Bunny and Porky Pig, and that would have been the fantastic and stupendous Mel Blanc who did that. Other side of this is in a world where that guy, we're very familiar with those type of people. I think a lot of other aspects of this business, though, kind of go unnoticed, and I think that's the niche that I'm trying to fall into a little bit here, and that's with like message on hold. You call a business, they have to put you on hold, and perhaps they're telling you about a promotion they have or some of the benefits of using their business. They've hired somebody to record that for them. That's a voiceover. Another voiceover aspect is just radio commercials. Driving down the road, radio's on in your car, that 60-second auto ad, that was a guy who got paid to do that. Disney is huge with voiceovers. Wherever you go in those parks, getting on and off buses and coming into resorts, you hear voiceover all over the place. It is on so many levels within our society nowadays that it's just incredible. Myself, I just enjoy the challenge of receiving a script from a client, maybe some direction, putting some life to that script, taking those words off the page and making them just sound natural or perhaps dramatic or even silly from time to time. Myself, I don't see myself as getting to a point of like a Mel Blanc, doing actual acting, although there is a little bit of acting involved in any of this. You have to sound human. You have to sound relatable. You have to sound like the guy next door when you're recording this. You just can't go, and at Bob's Auto Mart, you can get fabulous deals. Although I have seen ads like that, and they're kind of funny. But that takes acting as well. So what is voiceover? You can't really pigeonhole it. You can't just put it into one place. There are so many aspects to this business, and I think that's one of the things that makes it so wonderful. There's so many avenues you can go down in this. It could be commercial production again. It could be getting back on the radio. It could be as simple as making a career out of going door to door to businesses and saying, hi, can I help you with your message on hold system or your phone tree when you call a business and they say, dial 1 for this, press 2 for this, press 3 for this, or just that annoying voice says, your call is very important to us. Please remain on the line. We'll be back with you momentarily. I've done a few of those too. That in a nutshell, I hope kind of clarifies what voiceover is. Maybe gives you a little more insight into the areas that I'm trying to get into, the message on hold, phone trees like that. The poem I did the other week for that documentary, that's an area I like. Short stuff. I'm not really much into the long reads yet, like audiobooks. Another avenue of voiceover. Somebody has to sit there behind a microphone and read those to you. That's it, basically. Just kind of wanted to give you that this week, answer a question that I know had been put out there and specifically by some friends of mine. So thank you so much for sticking with me through the video. Thank you for coming back to the channel again. If you would be so kind, give the video a like, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about voiceover. Maybe you've got an opinion on it. And when you have a chance, hit the subscribe button too. I want to see that magic 20 number. 20 is just, that's the goal right now. I'm at 19. 19, we can do this. Thank you very much. We'll be back next week. I'll see you Tuesday back here behind the mic. Bye-bye.